Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live in a world where technology responds instantly to your every command? Imagine a world of seamless connectivity, where the line between the physical and digital realms blurs. This is the promise of 6G, the next generation of wireless technology. With faster speeds, more reliable connections, and lower latency, 6G is set to revolutionize our day-to-day lives. And when 6G combines with artificial intelligence, the possibilities are truly endless. So, how does 6G enhance AI? Let's break it down. 6G, the successor to 5G, is set to revolutionize the way we perceive and interact with technology. At its core, 6G is a superhighway for data, promising faster speeds, reliable connections, and lower latency. This high-speed data transfer is particularly vital for artificial intelligence, or AI, which thrives on data. The more data AI can access and process, the more intelligent and responsive it becomes. Let's look at 3 key ways in which 6G boosts AI: ultra-fast data transfer, low latency, and massive connectivity. First up, ultra-fast data transfer. With 6G, data can be transferred almost instantaneously. This speed is crucial for AI systems that need to make quick decisions based on vast amounts of information. Think of autonomous vehicles that need to react to sudden changes in traffic conditions in real time. With 6G, these vehicles can access and process traffic data instantly, making the road safer for everyone. Next, we have low latency. 6G networks will significantly reduce the time it takes for data to travel from one point to another. This reduction in latency means that AI applications can respond faster and more accurately. Let's take virtual assistants as an example. With lower latency, your virtual assistant will be able to process your commands almost in real time, making your interactions with AI smoother and more efficient. Lastly, there's massive connectivity. 6G will be able to connect a vast number of devices seamlessly, enabling AI to collect and analyze data from more sources. Imagine a smart city where everything from traffic lights to waste management systems is interconnected and optimized for efficiency. With 6G and AI, such a city isn't just a possibility, it's an inevitable reality. The real strength of 6G lies in its ability to make AI applications more robust and responsive. Whether it's enabling real-time monitoring in healthcare or powering seamless augmented reality experiences, 6G is set to unlock new opportunities for AI, making our lives more connected, efficient, and technologically advanced. Let's take augmented reality as an example of how 6G can enhance AI. Imagine slipping on a pair of AR glasses and stepping into a world where digital information overlays your physical surroundings. Directions to your favorite restaurant appear before your eyes, or perhaps you're seeing translations of foreign language signs in real time. This is the power of augmented reality, bridging the gap between the digital and tangible world. Now think of the potential when you add 6G into the mix. Those AR glasses you're wearing, they're pulling in data from the cloud at lightning speed. This means real-time updates and interactions become the norm, not the exception. There's no waiting, no buffering, just instant access to the information you need. The AI processes and delivers the data seamlessly, making your AR experience smooth and uninterrupted. This is just one of the many exciting possibilities that 6G and AI can bring. As 6G technology develops, it will unlock new opportunities for AI in various fields. Picture a world where entertainment goes beyond the screen. A concert in your living room, a safari in your backyard, all through ultra-high-definition holographic projections, made possible by 6G's lightning-fast data transfer and AI's real-time processing. Envision industrial automation reaching new heights, AI-powered robots and machines communicating over 6G networks, working together in perfect harmony, increasing productivity while reducing human error. Imagine a smart city where everything from traffic lights to energy grids is optimized for efficiency. AI, with the help of 6G's massive connectivity, can analyze data from countless sources in real time, making our cities smarter and more sustainable. This is the future we're heading towards. A future where AI systems are more integrated, intuitive, and capable thanks to the powerful connectivity of 6G networks. A future where the line between the digital and physical world blurs, creating experiences that are truly out of this world. Thanks for riding along with us on 4th Industrial Avenue. We hope you've enjoyed this exhilarating journey into the future of 6G and AI. If you're hungry for more insights into the world of cutting-edge technology, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Stay ahead of the curve and join us on our next technological deep dive. And remember, while we love diving into the world of technology, the insights we share are for educational kicks only, not financial advice. Your journey is your own, so do your homework before investing.